have 3 scenes going on simultaneously. And I'm going to kind of play with them by telling them to either pan left or pan right. If I do the scene about
really expensive blowjobs.
pan left.
Deodorant.
Gossiping.
Wow, you have some really glossy lips. Mine all came off during lunch break.
You use Colgate too? Oh. Coincidentally, we're all under arrest!
Oh my god. I'm rushing.
Oh my god! Okay. If we had that in common, she'd get married.
Pan left.
And she was like, I know! It's like,
Dirty one.
I know.
Pan right.
But I mean, I would maybe marry you because you're kind of cute. I love the color
I
orange.
already wrote my vows.
Pan right.
Cool, because I really like this color. And, you know, at my old school, my nickname was BJ. Here I'm trying to move away from that a little. Just a little.
BJ meaning?
Big Joker.
If the earth exploded, if a big tidal wave came and just ravished my whole world, I'd reach my little desperate hand out and hope that you would reach and grab it and pull me out.
Pan right.
You do tell really funny jokes.
I know. So, I mean, like, but you guys, it was fun around here, like after dances or before school or in the back of cars.
Little one.
I don't know if you understand, but I was at Target the other day and they have these awesome, like, super foamy knee pads, man.
No, just leave me! I'm not worth it! Go find another guy! I'm not good enough for you! I'm not good enough
How
for
can
you!
you say that? We've been through so much!
Remember the toothpaste?
Oh God, I love the toothpaste. Let's just look at it again.
Okay.
Pan left.
About that.
You don't even have to say, just point your nose, I know what you're
Pan right.
No, seriously, there's boundaries here.
I'm kidding! There's no boundaries! There's no boundaries!
So, I mean, do you have any nicknames? Like Super Rimmer or?
I don't know who fucking told you that.
It's written on the wall right now.
Oh yeah.
I saw you writing it when I came.